Would you like to have stronger legs even at the age of 90? Eat this every day. Your legs are getting weaker, and you probably don't even realize it yet. Climbing stairs leaves you out of breath, and your legs get tired more quickly. This isn't just a natural part of aging, it's a sign of silent muscle loss. Unfortunately, most people don't realize it until it's too late. Here's the truth. As you age, the first part of your body to lose strength is your leg muscles. When your legs weaken, your balance falters, your independence slips away, and your risk of falling skyrockets. But here's the good news. It's still possible to reverse it. You can start strengthening your legs not in the gym, but right at your kitchen table. Because just as important as exercise, or even more so, is what you eat. In this video, we'll discover 6 powerful foods that help you rebuild muscle strength, protect your bones, and keep your legs strong and steady as you age. Number 6, sweet potatoes. Packed with complex carbs, vitamin A, and potassium, sweet potatoes provide steady fuel for your muscles, prevent cramps, and reduce inflammation. They keep your legs flexible and pain-free while fueling smooth movement and energy all day. Number 5, oats. A true endurance builder. Oats release energy slowly, keeping your muscles powered without crashes. They're rich in iron and magnesium, which deliver oxygen and prevent cramps, stiffness, and that heavy feeling in your legs. Number 4, berries, blueberries. Strawberries and raspberries protect muscles from aging damage. Their antioxidants fight inflammation, strengthen joints, and boost collagen, keeping your legs firm and youthful. They also improve blood flow and recovery. Number 3, avocados. Loaded with healthy fats, potassium, and vitamin E, avocados calm inflammation, stop painful cramps, and support smooth, flexible movement. Eat them regularly for fewer cramps and stronger, more flexible legs. Number 2, salmon. Salmon rebuilds muscle with protein and omega-3 fats. It reduces stiffness, boosts circulation, and restores strength from the inside out. Just 2 servings a week can make your legs feel stronger and lighter. Number 1, eggs. Small but mighty. Eggs are rich in complete protein, vitamin D, and choline. Everything your muscles and nerves need to stay strong and coordinated. 1 or 2 eggs a day help maintain balance and confidence as you age. You don't need all 6 every day. Mix and match throughout the week. Pair them with light exercise like short walks or chair stretches. Nutrition fuels your muscles, movement activates them. Together, they keep your legs strong and steady for life. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Natural Treatment for more life-changing health tips. Which of these foods will you start with today? Eggs, avocados, or potatoes? Tell us in the comments below. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving, because every step you take is an investment in your future strength.